Subscribe to Wealthy Up for real money-making strategies, affiliate tips, and online income secrets. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly ways to make money online, but only if done right. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide for the easiest way to make money with affiliate marketing, especially for beginners. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product or service using a unique link, and you earn a commission whenever someone buys through your link. Easiest and beginner-friendly method, step-by-step. Step 1. Choose a niche, low competition plus high demand. Pick a topic you're interested in or where people are already spending money. Examples: fitness and weight loss, pets, dogs, cats, etc. Tech gadgets, beauty products, AI tools, side hustles. Make money online. Step 2. Join an affiliate program. Some of the easiest platforms to start with: Amazon Associates, easy, trusted, but low commission. ClickBank, digital products, higher commission. Digistore24, great for beginners. CJ Affiliate, Impact, Rakuten, Top Brands, PartnerStack, GetResponse, Systeme.io, AI and SaaS tools. Step 3. Find a product to promote. Choose a product with high demand that solves a problem, with decent commissions, 20 to 50% or more. Example: promote a budget-friendly fitness course, an AI tool, or a pet grooming kit. Step 4. Get your unique affiliate link. After joining a program and choosing your product, you'll get a special tracking link. Anyone who clicks that link and buys, you get paid. Step 5. Promote your link, free and easy ways. Here are free methods you can use even without a website. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels. Create short videos around the product, e.g., top 3 AI tools in 2025. Add your affiliate link in bio or description. Facebook groups, Pinterest, Quora. Join niche groups and answer questions. Add your link only where allowed or guide users to your bio website. WhatsApp, Telegram groups, share valuable tips plus your link. Create your own small community around your niche. Free website or landing page use, Systeme.io. Free funnels and email marketing, Card.co. Simple one-page sites. Linktree, put all your affiliate links in one place. Step 6. Earn commissions. When someone buys through your link, you get paid. Payments are usually made weekly or monthly via PayPal, bank, or other options. Tips for beginners. Start with 1-2 products, not 10. Always provide value. Don't just spam links. Use real examples, stories, or comparisons to build trust. Be patient. First sale might take time, but grows with consistency. Bonus tip: fastest growth. If you're serious, build an email list. Free using Systeme.io. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to create content fast. Recycle content across YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. Example: promote a tool like Canva Pro using a video tutorial on how to design a YouTube thumbnail free. Add affiliate link in bio description post. Same video to YouTube, Reels, TikTok. Equals more chances to earn. Don't forget to subscribe to Wealthy Up for more step-by-step guides to grow your online income the smart way.